Register now to shop online with KitKat Cash and Carry. Go to kitkatgroup.com, click on Shop Online. Click Log In and New User for a new account. Fill in all your personal details. Select your address from the drop-down list to ensure that we deliver to the right place. Accept the terms and conditions, click Register, and you will get an email with all your login details. Once you have registered, you can now shop online. Fill in your login details. Select the products that you want to buy. You can do this by searching for a product or using our convenient menu. Once you've added all the items to your cart, click the paper bag on the top right-hand corner. Click Checkout. If you're happy with your basket, you can choose between collection or delivery. If you choose collection, your items will be ready for you at your closest KitKat Cash and Carry branch. If you choose delivery, it will be delivered to the address you selected in registration. You can now either pay for your products via credit card or use our invoicing system. Once you have completed payment, your products will be ready for collection at your nearest KitKat store or delivered to your door.